If your mood decides your actions, your life will stay unstable. Tanda natin yan. Real talk. Most people live based on how they feel. Kapag pagod, stop. Kapag tamad, delay. Pag hindi okay ang mood, excuse. Pero ito ang hard truth. Your mood is not a reliable leader. Kaya ito ang Stoic principle. Do what needs to be done regardless of emotion. Eto, hindi ka palaging motivated, hindi ka palaging masaya, tama? But responsibility doesn't wait for your feelings to catch up. Ito ang tanda natin ng mabuti. Discipline is choosing your future over your comfort today. Kahit hindi ka okay, you still show up. That's how stability is built. Let's conclude this talk with this passage. Mood passes, discipline stays. Anong kailangan na piliin? Let's choose stability. Thank you for watching. I'm Catherine Eucor, and once again you're watching Real Talk Hustle, where we turn pain into power.